Welcome to Science Kids. Today we're gonna make a tornado in the bottle. Put our goggles on. Let's put our goggles on. Here we eat. Water. Coloring. Bottle. A connector. That put blue coloring in the bottle. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The one drop. Boop. Ah. Boop. Okay. Now we can put water. Can put the water, Zahlo. I got it, Mia. Like that. Oh, wait. You're doing it. Wait a little bit. Next, we'll put the connector. Oh. Next, we need the bottle to put inside of it. We're gonna turn it over. Now we go move it around. Wait, check. Like this. Let me check. Check. Ah! Oh! Turn it over. Oh my god, it's so cool. God. That was so good. Wait. I'm sorry, you saw it? Yeah, I think it worked because we need the same size bottle. I think it will work if we bring that bottle. Bye watching.